Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. Here we have an equation that is x negative 29 equals to x negative a times x negative 29. Which of the following are solutions to the given equation where a is a constant and a is greater than 30? Okay, here we have a solution for the given equation. Solution means that the value of the variable x. Okay, here when it comes to the first statement over here, the solution is a, that is the value of x is a. Okay, now let me check whether this one can be the solution to the given equation. For that, what I have to do is I have to plug in this a for x in the given equation. Okay, first let me write the given equation as it is. It is x negative 29 equals to x negative a times x negative 29. Okay, now to check whether this a is the solution to this equation, let me plug in x equals to a into the equation. Then we get a negative 29 equals to, on the right side also I have to plug in a for this x over here and here. Then I'm getting a negative a times a negative 29. Okay, here a negative 29 equals to a negative a is 0. 0 multiplied by anything is 0. So we get 0 on the right side. Okay, now I get an equation that is a negative 29 equals to 0. Let me solve for a in this equation. For that we have to add 29 to both sides. When I do so, this negative 29 positive 29 will cancel out. I am getting a on the left side. On the right side 0 positive 29 is 29. Okay, when I try to check whether this a is the solution for the given equation, I am getting the result a equals to 29. Actually, the question says a is greater than 30. But here we get a equals to 29. This 29 is less than 30. Since the value we get for a over here does not meet the condition given in the question, we cannot consider this a in the first statement as a solution for the given equation. So we can reject this one. Okay, now we have to check the second one, that is a positive 1. Okay, the same thing again. We have to plug in this a positive 1 for x into the given equation over here. Okay, now let me do it. Then we get a positive 1 negative 29. That is, I just plugged in this a positive 1 for x into the given equation over here. On the right side also for x over here and here I have to plug in a positive 1. Okay, let me do it. Then I'm getting a positive 1 negative a times a positive 1 negative 29. Here a negative a will cancel out. On the left side we have a, and when I combine this positive 1 and negative 29, I am getting negative 28. Okay, here we have just 1, and when I multiply this stuff by this one, I am getting the same thing, that is a positive 1 and negative 29. A negative 28 equals to a. When I combine this positive 1 and negative 29, I am getting negative 28. Okay, here when I plug in this a positive 1 for x into the given equation, I am getting the result a negative 28 equals to a negative 28. So here whatever stuff I have on the left side, the same stuff I have on the right side as well. So this equation is true for all real values of a. Okay, since this equation is true for all real values of a, it must be true for all real values of a greater than 30. That is, the result we got over here meets the condition a greater than 30 given in the question. So we can accept this a positive 1 as solution to the given equation. So let me take this one as correct. Okay, now we have to verify the third solution over here, that is 29. So for that we have to plug in this 29 for x into the given equation over here. Okay, let me do it. So that is 29 negative 29 equals to 29 negative a times 29 negative 29. Okay, here I just plugged in this 29 for x over here. Okay, on the left side 29 negative 29 is 0 equals to, here the 29 negative 29 is 0. When 0 is multiplied by this stuff, it's still 0. Okay, actually this is a true statement. That is, when I plug in 29 for x into the given equation, I am getting a true statement. So that is, this equation is true for all real values of a when x is equal to 29. Since it is true for all real values of a when x equals 29, it must be true for all real values of a greater than 30. So we can accept this one as well. So a positive 1 and 29. So these two are the solutions to the given equations which meet the condition a greater than 30. Okay, here we find this second statement and third statement in answer choice C. So the correct answer choice for this one is C.